Are you eating healthy, buying all the right foods, but still battling low energy, dull skin, or digestive issues that just won't quit? You follow the advice, you meal prep, you do everything you're supposed to, but that feeling of true vitality stays just out of reach. It's a super common frustration. But what if the solution isn't about more restriction or expensive supplements? What if the secret isn't just what you eat, but how you pair the foods you already have in your kitchen? This is the power of smart food combining, a strategy where pairing certain foods can help you get the most out of their nutritional benefits. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 simple science-backed food combinations to help transform your body from the inside out. We're talking about boosting your energy, supporting your digestion, and giving your skin a radiant glow, all by using the hidden power of food pairings. This is practical advice you can start using today. Let's get into it. The Energy and Recovery Booster, Orange and Lemon. Let's start with one of the biggest complaints I hear, feeling tired all the time. It's that woke up tired feeling, needing coffee to function and hitting that wall of exhaustion in the afternoon. This isn't just being sleepy, it's a deep fatigue that can drain your quality of life. And often your body is just asking for the right kind of fuel. The solution is our first power combo, Orange and Lemon. This is more than just a refreshing drink. It's a strategic pairing to help refuel your system. Here's the science. Both oranges and lemons are famous for their sky-high vitamin C content. Vitamin C is a powerhouse antioxidant that's essential for a strong immune system and for fighting the cellular stress that leaves us feeling sluggish. When you're stressed, your vitamin C levels can take a hit, leading to fatigue. This citrus combo helps recharge your batteries and supports the growth and repair of your body's tissues. Plus, citrus fruits contain a beneficial flavonoid called hesperidin. While you'd need a high-dose supplement to see major changes, some interesting studies on athletes have suggested this compound may help with muscle development and recovery. So think of it as a fantastic bonus for an active lifestyle. The vitamin C in this duo also plays a key role in muscle recovery. After exercise, your muscles need to repair, and vitamin C is critical for that process, helping you feel less sore and bounce back faster. Putting this into practice is incredibly easy. Start your day with a big glass of water with the juice of half a lemon and half an orange. For a more potent kick, juice them together for a morning wellness shot. You can even whisk the juices with some olive oil and herbs for a bright, simple salad dressing. It's a small upgrade that can make a real difference. The skin and hydration hero, watermelon and cucumber. Is your skin a source of frustration? Maybe you're dealing with dryness, a lack of glow, or inflammatory issues like acne that don't respond to creams. You might be drinking water but still feel like your skin looks dehydrated. This is a sign your body needs hydration at a cellular level, along with key nutrients to calm things down. Our second combo is the ultimate solution, watermelon and cucumber. Think of this as an internal spa treatment designed to hydrate, soothe, and rejuvenate your skin from the inside out. The main benefit here is deep hydration. Both watermelon and cucumber are over 90% water, making them amazing for hydrating your whole system. But they don't just deliver water, they deliver it with a payload of skin-loving vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Watermelon is loaded with vitamins A and C, which support skin cell turnover and collagen production, helping to keep your skin firm and plump. And here's a cool bonus, especially if you're active. Watermelon contains an amino acid called L-citrulline. Studies have shown L-citrulline can improve blood flow. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients get delivered right to your skin cells, which is key for promoting that healthy, radiant glow. Cucumber brings its own magic to the mix. It contains silica, a trace mineral essential for maintaining healthy connective tissue, like the collagen in your skin. This can help with skin elasticity. On top of that, both watermelon and cucumber are packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals and reduce inflammation. This anti-inflammatory action can be a huge help for calming irritated skin and may help reduce acne breakouts. This combination is as delicious as it is effective. Blend fresh watermelon chunks with peeled cucumber for a refreshing juice. You can also dice them up with some fresh mint for a beautiful skin-boosting salad. Or, for all-day hydration, just infuse a pitcher of water with slices of both. If you're finding these simple, actionable tips helpful and you want more ways to use food to feel your best, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. I put out new science-backed videos every week, and I'd love for you to be part of our community. The vision and digestion. Virtuoso, carrot and banana. Our modern lives put a strain on two critical systems. Our eyes are constantly working overtime from screens, and our digestive systems get thrown off by stress and processed foods, leading to bloating and discomfort. What if you could support both of these areas with one simple, delicious combo? That brings us to our third pairing, the carrot and banana harmonizer. This smoothie classic is more than just tasty. It's a smart nutritional strategy to help protect your eyes and promote a happy gut. Let's start with carrots. They're famously rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is absolutely essential for good vision. It helps protect the surface of your eye and is a key part of a protein that allows you to see in low light. A diet rich in beta-carotene is linked to a reduced risk of age-related vision issues and can help with problems like dry eyes. Now for the bananas. Bananas are a digestive superstar mainly because of their special fiber content. They contain prebiotic fiber, which acts as food for the good bacteria in your gut. A thriving gut microbiome is the foundation of good digestion, a strong immune system, and even a balanced mood. By feeding these friendly microbes, bananas help keep you regular and support a healthy digestive system. When you blend carrots and bananas, you're getting a fantastic 2-for-1 deal. You're providing key nutrients for your vision while simultaneously feeding the good bacteria that keep your gut running smoothly. It's a perfect example of how combining simple foods can cover multiple bases. The best way to enjoy this is in a smoothie. Blend 1 chopped carrot with 1 frozen banana and a cup of your favorite milk or milk alternative. The frozen banana gives it that creamy ice cream texture. It's a perfect breakfast or snack that works to protect your eyesight and support your gut. The de-bloat and soothe specialist. Apple and ginger. There's almost nothing worse than that bloated, heavy feeling after a meal that turns an enjoyable dinner into an evening of discomfort. This is often a sign of a sluggish digestive system and inflammation. While many people reach for a quick fix, one of the best solutions might be in your kitchen right now. Our final combination is the ultimate digestive rescue team, the apple and ginger de-bloat duo. This is my go-to recommendation for anyone struggling with digestive upset. Let's break it down. Apples are packed with a specific type of fiber called pectin, which is amazing for gut health. Pectin acts as a prebiotic, just like the fiber in bananas, feeding your good gut bacteria. A healthy gut environment is key for efficient digestion and cutting down on the gas and bloating. Then we have ginger, arguably one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory and digestive aids on the planet. Its power comes from a compound called gingerol, which has potent anti-inflammatory effects and helps to stimulate gastrointestinal motility. In simple terms, it helps speed things up so food doesn't sit in your stomach for too long, which is a common cause of indigestion and bloating. Studies have shown ginger is incredibly effective at soothing an upset stomach. When you combine the gut-balancing fiber of apples with the anti-inflammatory, motility-boosting power of ginger, you get a natural and effective remedy. The apple's pectin supports your long-term gut health, while the ginger provides more immediate soothing relief. It's the perfect team to calm your stomach. This combo is wonderfully versatile. You can make a simple, warming tea by steeping slices of fresh ginger and apple in hot water. You can juice them together for a spicy sweet shot that calms your system. Or you can stew chopped apples with grated fresh ginger and a sprinkle of cinnamon until they're soft. A delicious gut-friendly dessert or topping for oatmeal. Before we wrap up, I have a question. Are you ready to really put this knowledge into action? To make it super easy for you, I've created a free downloadable guide called The Synergy 7. It has 3 more of my favorite food combos, plus a full 7-day meal plan to help you easily bring these ideas into your life. The link is right at the top of the description below. It's my gift to you for investing your time in your health today. Conclusion, so there you have it. 4 incredibly simple yet effective food combinations that can truly help transform how you feel every single day. Alright, let's quickly run through them again. We have the orange and lemon duo to boost your energy and recovery. The watermelon and cucumber combo for glowing skin and deep hydration. The white carrot and banana pairing to support both your vision and your digestion. And finally, the apple and ginger team to banish bloating and soothe inflammation. This approach isn't about deprivation or crazy diets. It's about addition. It's about making small, smart choices that can have a huge impact on your well-being. Real transformation starts with simple, consistent steps like these. Now, I would love to hear from you. Which of these 4 combinations are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Sharing your plan can inspire someone else, and I really do love reading about your experiences. And of course, if you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. This is Dr. Peter White,